Well, as summer draws to a close, it's still time for a few more refreshing salads and things. This is pork and beans salad. Not your regular pork and beans cooked for a long time. No cooking involved at all. This is just a refreshing salad. But there is the pork, which is, in this case, barbecued pork, or you can use ham. And then there are two different types of beans in here. There's corn, there's red bell pepper and tomatoes and stuff, and a nice little dressing. Oh yeah. Let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. All right, so here's all the ingredients we need for our pork and beans salad. So first of all, the pork. What I've got here is I've got 10 ounces or 280 grams of barbecued pork, chopped up into pieces of about that size. Now, it could be barbecued pork or it could be ham. Either is fine. Then, over here in the colander, I've got the two beans and corn. So I've got one 15-ounce can of cannellini beans, of course, rinsed and drained. A 15-ounce can of black beans, also rinsed and drained, and one 15-ounce can of corn kernels, also rinsed and drained. Then across the front here, what I've got is two red bell peppers, which have been chopped. Half of a kind of a smallish this time, but about a half of a red onion, and it's been quartered and thinly sliced. Over here, anywhere between about 25 and 30 mini tomatoes, sliced in half. You can put them in whole if you want. I like them sliced in half because they don't explode all over the place when you bite into them, but either way is fine. I think in this case, I've got close to 30 in there. Over in front here for the dressing, I've got 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 garlic clove crushed, and a half teaspoon each of pepper and salt. So first thing we're going to do is make the dressing. So I got a bowl over here. Take this bowl. We're going to put in the olive oil. Make sure we get all that olive oil in there. And then the vinegar, the garlic, salt and pepper, and the mayonnaise, the mustard. No mayonnaise this time. This time we're using mustard. And the mustard's going to help kind of emulsify the vinegar and oil, which don't like to stick together. They don't like hanging out together, but this always pulls them together, this or mayonnaise. All right, so got that in there. I'm going to take a whisk and just whisk that up until that all comes together. And there you can see it's already coming together. That's basically emulsified. Okay, good. I'll put that off to one side for right now. Now, I've got my large salad bowl here. This is so easy to make. Just toss everything together. So I'm going to toss the beans and the corn in here. All right, that's done. I'll toss in the red bell pepper. This could be any color bell pepper. We don't get green much in Japan for some reason. By the time they get here, they're always... See, green is the least ripe. And then it goes yellow and then it goes red. By the time we get them, they're always yellow or red. It is fine. I like the red because we already got the yellow from the corn. If you can get the green, that'll probably look pretty good too. It's all about color. It looks good. So I'm going to put those onions in there. I'm going to toss in the pork. I'm just going to mix it up a little first. I'm always a little worried about smashing up the tomatoes, so I like to leave them to last because they're the most delicate part of this. So kind of mix that around. Oh, look at that colors in there. That is looking fantastic. All right. Okay, so now I'm actually going to toss the dressing in. You can toss the tomatoes in already, but you know, I've already cut these in half. They're a little delicate that way, and they will get smashed up easier. So first, we get that dressing in there. Let's use that spatula to make sure we get all that dressing in there. All right, so get the dressing in there. Gonna toss that around a little bit until get the dressing mixed throughout here. Okay, I can see it's coating things, so that's looking good. So now I'm going to toss in the tomatoes. Give that a bit more of a toss. Just to combine those tomatoes in. At this point I'm doing it a little gently. Just kind of going underneath and lifting and turning, because I don't want to crush those tomatoes. And that is it. That is our pork and beans salad. What a great way to end the summer. Look at that. Delicious. Enjoy. All right. If you like this recipe, there's a lot more on the Kuma's Kitchen channel. And make sure you're subscribed, because every Monday I'm uploading a new original Kuma's Kitchen recipe. Also, if you haven't yet joined our Patreon, please consider it, because for just $3 a month, you can be supporting the creation of all these original recipes. You also get access to all kinds of cool stuff, like our really popular This is Japan and Hiking in Japan series of videos, our focus on ingredients and kitchen tech. So consider that. In the meantime, make sure you make yourself a good batch of this pork and bean salad, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.